In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how to use other people's videos to make money from Facebook. You can make well over $10,000 from Facebook by simply uploading other people's own content. When it comes to make money online generally, it doesn't depend on how hard you work, but how smart you work. A video I personally create, such a video can fetch me, say, $70 in a single month. A different content creator can take the same video, repackage it, and re-upload it again onto his own platform, and will use the same video to make $250 or even more every single month using the same video. You can see that it is not so much about working hard, but it is about working smart. So I want to show you how you can make use of other people's videos to make money from Facebook every single month. So let's get started. Download this user-friendly application called CapCut. Launch the app, then click on New Projects. Click on Photos so you are able to access the media files that you want to use. That is, the photo that you want to attach with the video. For the purpose of this video, I will use this image of mine right here. Make sure that you have already downloaded a video that you wish to use. Then you click on the option called Overlay right here. Then click on Videos. Then you select the person's video that you wish to make use of. Let me take this video as an example. It is no doubt that for you to make solid income online, you need to put in a lot of time and effort. But then in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 ways that I consider to be the most. I'll click on add right here. And then once the video is done uploading, meanwhile, if I'm yet to send you the Nigerian link for monetization, comment I am interested so I can send it to you ASAP. It will be my joy that all of you that are watching me right now get monetized. Now that Nigeria is now eligible for monetization, you don't need someone helping you with this from abroad. Once you are in Nigeria and you have a Facebook account, you can earn money from the videos that you upload. What you do next is to reduce the video size a little bit more, like a passport size shape. So I'll clip with my 2 fingers and reduce the video size like you can see. So I'll just take it down a little bit like so to the end of my canvas, and then drag the image length to fill the full length of the video. Okay, something like this. So it will fill the full length of the video from the beginning of the video all the way to the end of the video. Now if your video is kind of long, what you simply do is that you try to minimize the screen of this part like so, then drag this edge to the end such that when the video stops to play, the image also stops to show. The next thing is for you to actually check the audio, and doing this is very easy. You don't have to be the original creator of the video. You can use other people's videos to actually make money from Facebook. Now what I want to do right here right now is for me to edit the original sound of the video. I will just increase the speed of the video. So I'll click on the video clip itself. Then I'll look for speed. As you can see, you see speed right here. Click on the speed and then click on normal speed. As you can see, the speed of the video is on 1x. I'll just increase the speed of the video a little bit. If I get to play the video, you see that the sound of the video is a little bit faster than the original video. One other thing that you can do is for you to attach an image of a person that is being spoken about in the video. So if for instance that in your video you are talking about Wizkid as an example, you simply insert the image of Wizkid as the background. And you can do that very simply by clicking on the plus sign, then go to the photos and then click on the image. Now you can decide to resize the image by just reducing it a little bit with your 2 fingers and keep it on the side of the video of the background, and keep it on the side of the background like so. One thing is that nobody may even be interested in reading the caption of the video, but then when they see the picture of Wizkid, you will be sure that they are going to be prompted to watch. You can decide to place the image anywhere you want in the video background. I'll just drop mine right here. You also have the option to remove the background of the image, which will now leave only the Wizkid image without the background. And to do that, click on the image itself, then scroll down towards your right, and then click on Remove BG. Once I click on Remove BG, you can now do auto removal like so. Then you click here to try now. Once you do this, you will notice that the image is now standing without a background. You can then expand the image a little bit, making it bigger and a little legible enough for people to see and understand that you are talking about Wizkid, or as the case may be. Even if they don't get to read the caption, once they see the image of Wizkid, they will watch the video. And then don't also forget to actually click on the image and drag the image length to fit with the length of the video. And again, if you take note, at the end of the video there's going to be a CapCut sign right here. So what you're simply going to do is that you click on that CapCut sign and then click on delete and you're good to go.